Students, next question, it is also very important question. In each of the following cases, state whether the function is 1, 1, onto or bisective. Justify your answer. So, here given f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x, f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. So, previous problems are modulus function, signum function, greatest integer function, like they are giving. So, you know that different inputs, they are getting different outputs, then we can write easy answer. But here the given problem, f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. It is a linear function. Why? Because its variable power is 1. Linear means you are getting a straight line. I told 1, 1 function. Can you remember it? You can see the linear function means you are representing a straight line. If you draw a line parallel to x-axis, it cuts only one point. So, it is always a 1, 1 function. And also onto function. Why? Because if you draw any line parallel to from each point in the codomain. Codomain means y-axis. Y-axis parallel. Y-axis all points you can draw the line parallel to x-axis. It must intersect somewhere. At least one point intersect. That's why it is also onto function. So, always you remember f of x is equal to ax plus or minus b, or a plus or minus bx. Even these functions are always called as linear functions, strictly increasing, strictly decreasing functions, strictly increasing and strictly decreasing functions. Those functions always 1, 1 and onto functions. So, how to prove those kind of functions? Simple. You have to use the basic definition. So, now using basic definition, first subdivision we will prove it. What is first subdivision? F is mapping from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. So, first we want to check it is 1, 1 or not using mathematical definition. You know the mathematical definition. What is mathematical definition of 1, 1? As x1 comma x2, these are the domain. Domain means R. x1, x2, two different elements we are taking in the domain. You are going to prove f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Obviously, you should get x1 is equal to x2. That you are going to check. So, this is f of x. We need f of x1. Where is x? There is x1. You can substitute. So, you will get 3 minus 4x1. That is f of x1 value. Understood, students? X place is x1 we are replacing. So, here also x1. Next 3 minus 4x2. So, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Now, minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Minus 4 and minus 4 gets cancelled. X is equal to x1 is equal to x2. So, you are taken f of x1 is equal to f of x2. You proved x1 is equal to x2. Hence, it is a 1, 1 function. That is one kind. Otherwise, you see that in this function, you can give any input. You are getting different outputs only. Will not get the same outputs. Understood, students? So, taking all numbers and proving it is difficult. That's why we will go for mathematical definition. So, finally, you can write as x1 is equal, f of x1 is equal to f of x2, as f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1 is equal to x2. Hence, f is 1, 1 function. F is 1, 1 function. What is other name for 1, 1 function, students? It is a injunction. Now, we will check onto function. F is my onto function. Checking onto function. F is mapping from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. Till now, we didn't use the mathematical definition of onto function. What is mathematical definition of onto function? Very simple. You are written as a range is equal to codomain. Correct, students? What is meant by range? I told f of x is range. What is codomain? Y-axis. Correct or not? So, mathematical definition for onto function is always f of x is equal to y. We have to prove that. Right. What is y? Y is an element in the codomain. That I am taking, y is an element in the codomain. Here you have to write let y belongs to codomain. What is codomain here? Codomain is R. So, f of x is equal to y, we are going to prove. So, f of x place, we are going to substitute f of x value. 3 minus 4x is equal to y. Understood, students? Once again, listen carefully. Range codomain equivalent prove madidra saku. Range is f of x, codomain is y. Y means y containing many elements in the codomain. That's why let y belongs to codomain. That means y belongs to R. So, we want to prove f of x is equal to y. F of x value here 3 minus 4x, that is equal to y. Let I am taking 4x is transposing right side, y is in left side, 3 minus y is equal to 4x. Now 3 minus y upon 4 is equal to x. What does it mean? For every element of y, there exists pre-image in x. That is the meaning. You can substitute any value in y. Y means codomain. Codomain lo ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. That must be in x. Why? Because x is also real number. That point will represent a real number. Correct or not? No restrictions here. Very simple, students. Let I am taking y is equal to 1 ra. 3 minus 1 by 4 x is equal to. 3 minus 1 means 2 by 4 x is equal to. 1 by 2 is equal to x. X is belongs to which set? Real numbers. Is it belongs to real numbers or not? Yes. Not only one, you can take any number, fraction or decimal, whatever the number if you take, that must exist as a pre-image in x. That's why you are going to write for every y belongs to R, there exists at least one x is equal to 3 minus y by 4. Y place lo ಯಾವುದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದನೋ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೋ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ we can say that therefore f is onto function. So therefore f is 1 1 and onto. So you know very well, if a function is satisfied both, which is called bisection, correct or not? That's why hence f is bijection. If a function is both 1 1 and onto, which is a bisection. So ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್గా onto ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನೇ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್గా ಮಾಡಿರಿ. These kind of problems you have to solve like this, right? Second, we'll see that. Then f is mapping from R to R, f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. That's now we will go through second subdivision in the seventh problem. See here, this is 1 plus x square. You remember it always. When the function is given, f is mapping from R to R, or f is mapping from Z to Z. Here we have negative numbers also. In real numbers, negative numbers and positive numbers also there. Here also negative integer, positive integers also there. These kind of problems, if f of x is even function. What is meant by even function? X square, x power 4, x power 6, x power 8. General format we can write x power n plus or minus r. X power n plus or minus n. N is equal to even number ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ 1 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ 1 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ r means any real number. If you substitute +1, 1 + 1 2. If you substitute -1 whole square also +1, 1 + 1 2. So +1 -1 same output. +2 -2 also same output. Not only +2 -2, +1/2 -1/2 also same output. Correct or not? So different inputs getting the same output. That's why it is not 1 1 function. Clear, students? So whenever there is a even function, square, x square, x power 4, x power 6, x power 8, those problems, if you give input negative values, positive values, same negative, same positive, +1 -1, +2 -2, +3 -3, +√2 -√2, +√3 -√3, +1/2 -1/2, +0.1 -0.1, you are getting same outputs. Clear, students? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ? ಇನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇ ರೀ, f of x is equal to x square, parabolic function, correct or not? Y is equal to x square, this is. Now it is given y is equal to x square plus 1. Y means nothing but f of x only. F of x is y, you know very well. So this graph will come at -1. This is at 0. Why? Because x square plus 0, its meaning. So x square plus 1, x square plus 2, x square plus 3. Suppose x square -1, x square -2. These are called family of parabolas. Parabola families ivi. ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ it is not 1 1 function always, because already we checked it, f of x is equal to x square. Correct, students? That's why you remember it, if the power is even, it is not 1 1 function. Now I am checking 1 1 function or injunction. x1 is equal to +1, x2 I can take +1/2, x2 is equal to -1/2. What is f of x1? F of x1 is equal to 1 plus x1 square. 1 plus x1 is 1/2 whole square. 1 plus 1/4. So you will get yes per bakery 5/4. Right. Now f of x2, which is equal to 1 plus x2 square, 1 plus -1/2 whole square, 1 plus 1/4, you will get pi/4. So f of x2 and f of x1, we are getting the same values, but we are giving different inputs. Different inputs as x1 is not equal to x2, but f of x1 is equal to f of x2, hence f is not 1 1. Next we want to check the onto function. Onto function range and codomain. Easy check ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So f is mapping, so we are writing it is a onto function. F is mapping from R to R, f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. So carefully observe madri. What is codomain here, students? Codomain is equal to all real numbers. All real numbers means we can write in mathematically -infinity to +infinity. Correct or not? What is range? Range of this function, range f of x always. What is f of x? 1 plus x square. How you will get 1 plus x square? Ille careful ga observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So x place x values substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is x value? Real numbers. Suppose in real numbers, if you substitute any value here, ಇದು x square ರೀ, If you substitute positive value, negative value, it becomes positive only. Correct or not? That's why it will start from 1 and ends infinite. ಇದೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, 0 ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ 0, 1 + 0 1. ಸಪೋಸ್ 0.1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 1.001 అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 1, more than 1 only. You won't get less than 1. -1 substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, -1 whole square, 1 + 1 2, more than 1 only. So whatever the value, if you substitute x place, it should be more than 1. Why? Because very simple, x is equal to -infinity to +infinity substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ರೀ, 0 to infinity ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? 0 ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ 0 to infinity ಬರಬೇಕು ರೀ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ అంటే ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 0, this is +infinity, this is -infinity. If you put these are all inputs, negative values is vanish and merge here. Correct or not? So your answer will be 0 to infinity only. These values you can add with 1. 0 ni 1 ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ, 1 + 0 1 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. 1 + infinity ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ, infinity plus anything is infinity only, ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವೇ ಬರಬೇಕು ರೀ. ಸೊ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕಂటే ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್లో ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದಂటే ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್? ನೋ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ f is not onto function. So in this function f is neither 1 1 nor onto, so it is not a bisective. Therefore f is neither 1 1 nor onto function. Hence it is not bisective. Understood, students? Right. Good morning, students. So the last class we explained exercise 1.2 in functions. Up to 7 problems are completed. We'll go through the 8th problem. What is given 8th problem? See here. Let A and B are 2 sets. We have 2 sets. Show that f is mapping from A cross B to B cross A such that f of ordered pair AB is equal to B ordered pair BA is a bisection. What we have to prove? This function is bisection. Bisection and prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. If a function is said to be a bisection, we have to say that it is 1 1 and onto. It should be 1 1 and onto. ಎರಡು ಆಗಬೇಕ್ರಿ. 1 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, onto ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Then only we will say that it is a bisection. So 1 1 other name is injunction, onto other name is surjunction. So if it is injunction and surjunction, then only bisection. Okay na? Now we will see that here. See students, what is given here? A and B are 2 sets. F is a function mapping from A cross B to B cross A, and also given f of AB ordered pair AB is equal to BA. That means this is input. You are giving input ordered pair AB, you will get the output BA. So what is the difference between A cross B and B cross A? You know very well. A cross B means we will write any ordered pair A comma B such that x is belongs to A and y is belongs to B. So possible ordered pairs from A to B, they must be in this format. X value you have to pick set A and y value you have to pick set B. Sorry, not x value. A value you have to pick from capital A set, B value you have to pick from capital set B. Allindi pick ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕ್ರಿ. But what does it mean B cross A? B cross A, set of all possible ordered pairs from B to A. This is A to B. If A to B is possible, then there must be B to A also. But their ordered pairs are different. That is different. So that's why if one ordered pair A cross B exists, it must be in B cross A also. But their format is different. This is ordered pair AB. This must be BA. If it is BA, so first coordinate is belongs to the first set and second coordinate is belongs to the second set. What is second set here? B. That is the meaning. So before going to the problem, you have to remember that if any ordered pair AB is in this A cross B, there must be B cross A is a ordered pair B to A. Clear, students? So one ordered pair is present in B cross A, that must be in A cross B. But their format is different. What is that format? If it is AB, BA, interchanging domain and range. Agree. So now we want to prove it is a bisection. That's why first we have to prove whether it is 1-1 function or not. 1-1 other name is injunction. So checking 1-1 function, 1-1 or injunction. So you know very well checking of 1-1 and injunction, mathematical definition. If you pick two elements in a particular set according to the definition, if x1 and x2 are taking from the set A means domain. What is domain in this function? This is called domain. A cross B is domain and B cross A is a codomain. Correct, students? So A cross B is domain and B cross A is codomain. So if you pick any element in A cross B, that means x1, x2 plus what we are picking? Ordered pair AB, A1, B1, ordered pair A2, B2 is in the particular set. There must be f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1 is equal to x2. Clear, students? Once again I will repeat it. So this is mathematical definition of 1-1 function. You have to pick two elements from the domain of that function. Domain means f is mapping from A to B. Generally they will give, if A is a domain, B is codomain. This is called domain and this is called codomain. I told what is range means f of A is range. Some cases codomain and ranges may be equal. Some cases they may be subset. That's why we don't call range codomain is equal. Range is different, codomain is different. Understood, students? Right. So if you take two elements in the domain, that means in A you have to pick two elements. They must satisfy this condition. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 agida, then they must equal to x1 is equal to x2. Athava, or we have one more formula, f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. That implies x1 also not equal to x2. It is also 1-1 function definition. Now we have to check it. So instead of x1, x2, we have here ordered pair AB. Ordered pair AB in A cross B. That's why I can take his let A1, B1 and A2, B2 belongs to, in domain means domain is A cross B. Understood, students? Instead of x1, this is one element, you have to take one ordered pair. Why? Because it is A cross B. A cross B is not a single element. It should be a bundle, bunch, A1, B1, AB like. So if there is a 1, we are writing A1, B1. If there is a 2, A2, B2. These two elements in A cross B, they have to satisfy f of A1, B1. F of x1, x1 means A1, B1 is equal to f of x2, A2, B2. E condition is satisfy ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So here given already f of AB, your answer is BA. F of A1, B1, your answer is B1 A1. Correct or not, students? Here AB is there, you will get BA, you will reverse. Here A1 B1 is there, you will get reverse B1 A1. So here A2 B2 is there, you will get reverse B2 A2. Why you will get like this? Because given f of AB is BA value. Correct, students? Right. So generally I told ordered pair AB and ordered pair BA is not equal. ಎರಡು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬಿ, ಎ. ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ should be equal, second coordinate should be equal to second coordinate. So here we got they are equal. So if first one and first one means B1 value is equal to B2 and A1 value is equal to A2. Clear, students? So f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So we got x1 is equal to x2. What is x1 value? A1 B1. So A1 B1 is equal to, what is A1 value equal to? A2. So I can write A1 place is A2. What is B1 value is equal to? B2. So A1 is equal to A2, B1 is equal to B2. So x1 is equal to x2. We got therefore f is a 1-1 function or injunction. Correct, students? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್గా ನೋಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Once again I'll repeat it. Be careful. So generally you are going to prove as 1-1 function, different inputs, different outputs. Athava mathematical definition, if you pick two elements in input means domain means A, first set, you should get the different outputs. They have to satisfy f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If you take, you should get x1 is equal to x2. This is a actual procedure. But in our given problem, f is mapping from A cross B to B cross A. So this is domain and this is codomain. So in the domain will not have single elements. Why? Because it is a Cartesian product. Cartesian product relations you will get as a ordered pair. That's why I am taking, instead of x1 place is a one ordered pair A1 B1 and another ordered pair A2 B2. Suppose these two ordered pairs in A cross B, they have to satisfy f of x1. So x1 place this entire value. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, in the problem is given one more condition. F of AB value is equal to ordered pair BA. So f of A1 B1 value B1 A1 according to this rule. F of A2 B2 B2 A2. Generally, if two ordered pairs are equal, if and only if first coordinate is equal to first coordinate, second one is equal to second one. So if you take A1 B1 ordered pair, it must be equal to A2 B2. A1 B1 is nothing but x1, A2 B2 is nothing but x2. So x1 is equal to x2 we got. So f is a 1-1 function or injunction. Now we have to check the onto function or surjunction. If it obeys that also, then we will agree it is a bisection. Correct, students? Right. Now I am checking onto function or surjunction. What is meant by onto function? You just recall the definition. For every y belongs to B, there exists at least one x belongs to A. What does it mean? Range is equal to codomain. Each element of B set, there must be pre-image, at least one pre-image in set A. According to this problem, what is a B set here? B cross A. So each ordered pair of B cross A, there must be pre-image in A cross B. Obviously. Why? Because A cross B agida, then only B cross A possible. B cross A one ordered pair ida ante compulsory that must be reversed in A cross B. Correct or not, students? So you remember it. A cross B is nothing but any ordered pair in the form of ordered pair AB, where A is belongs to small a is belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B. So you need B cross A, compulsory this ordered pair is in range codomain interchanges. No, small b is belongs to set B and small a is belongs to set A. Correct, students? So if BA exists, definitely AB also possible. If AB possible, definitely B also possible. That's why any pair, if B cross A is there exists pre-image in A cross B, obviously. Correct, students? Right. That's why you have to write straight away for every B cross A, for every ordered pair A comma B, B cross A means you will get B comma A. B comma A belongs to B cross A, there exist at least one A comma B, ordered pair A comma B in A cross B, such that f of A comma B is equal to B comma A. That means f of x is equal to y for all x belongs to A cross B. For all AB belongs to A cross B. So it is possible. That's why we can say that it is a onto function. Hence f is onto function or surjection. So it satisfied both, students. F is 1 1 and onto, hence it is a bisection. Correct, students? So we proved it is a bisection. I think you understood this, right?